In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick a ClickUp plan. Even though this is one of the simpler tasks in ClickUp, choosing the right plan sets the tone for how smoothly you'll work, whether you're managing a growing team or organizing your own projects. Start by moving your cursor to your workspace area inside ClickUp. You'll typically see your workspace name in the main navigation, so hover there to reveal more options. From there, open Settings. This is where all the administrative controls live, including billing and plan management, so it's the natural place to make changes that affect your whole workspace. Next, select Upgrade. This takes you straight to the plan options so you can see what's available at a glance. You'll see 4 primary plans to choose from, starting with Free, then Unlimited, Business, and Business Plus, along with Enterprise for organizations with more complex needs. Think of it like this. Free is great for testing the waters or running a very simple personal setup. Unlimited is typically a solid fit if you're collaborating regularly and need fewer limits on core features. Business adds advanced tools for scaling teams and more control. Business Plus layers on deeper admin, permissions, and workload features that help when you're coordinating multiple teams or complex processes. Enterprise is tailored for large organizations that require advanced security, compliance, and dedicated support. Right below the plan cards, use the Compare All Features option. This side-by-side view is incredibly helpful when you're weighing details like storage, automation capacity, dependencies, time tracking, goals, custom permissions, and advanced reporting. As you compare, match each feature to a real scenario in your workspace. For example, do you rely heavily on automations, or do you need granular permissions for different departments? This mindset makes the choice much clearer and avoids paying for features you won't use. Before you finalize, select your country. This ensures the pricing you see reflects the correct currency, taxes, and regional availability. It also helps avoid surprises on your invoice later. If you work across regions, choose the country that aligns with your billing details to keep everything consistent. Once you've reviewed the comparison and confirmed the right region, you're ready to move forward with confidence. Pick the plan that best supports your current workflow, with some room to grow, rather than jumping straight to the top tier.